Namaskaram.
Vanakkam.
Friends, we are in the middle of a road safety month. It's very, very important for Puducherry to know this, that we are number one in maximum deaths by road accidents. Maximum. We lose 72.3 lives per 1 lakh population due to road accidents. The national average is only 13.5. Ours is 72.3. Please see the chart which I'll show you. Have a look at the chart. It is a very serious situation. Therefore, this National Road Safety Month is very important to us. Most of the accidents are coming because of non-wearing of the helmet. And we are now notified the law for this yesterday. We did it yesterday. And this is going to be meaning anybody not wearing a helmet will lose even their driving license for 3 months, besides being fined 1,000 rupees. It's coming out of a national law. This enforcement is not Puducherry law. It is a national law. National law passed by the parliament and applicable to the Union Territory Puducherry in all the states. So therefore, wearing a helmet will save us fatalities and losing lives, our own brothers, sisters, parents, family members. So please wear a helmet. Otherwise, you will lose your license for the next 3 months and be fined 1,000 rupees. We are in the Road Safety Week. The law has been notified. Now it's going to be implemented on all 3 counts: education, enforcement, and engineering. I'm also here to tell you, money has been released for improved road engineering, because engineering is also a major cause of road accidents. So bad roads, bad awareness, negligent behavior, and bad enforcement. Now a very close monitoring group has been formed under the leadership of Chief Secretary, who will monitor closely all these agencies of 3: education, engineering, and enforcement, so that the road accidents come down in a big way. We have to save our people from road accidents. So friends, this is what I wanted to share this with you, that the 3 E's now will be enforced: education, engineering, and enforcement. So please wear a helmet, avoid getting fined, but if you do get caught, now nobody will spare you. It's not a political law. It's a national law. It's not an individual decision. It's the national enforcement being applicable all over, and also directed by the Honorable Supreme Court. So we have to follow the law as directed by the Parliament, as passed by the Parliament, and also as directed by the Honorable Supreme Court. So save yourselves, wear a helmet,